Hello, everybody. It's Deb Kuether. It's been a while, so I'm here to give a couple of quick updates about for those of you who have been following the Fermin defamation lawsuit. This is a lawsuit that an equal rights judge, administrative law judge Calvin Fermin, filed against Ben Hitchcock Cross and myself for talking about our experiences with and his role in my employment case. And we have been, and if you haven't been following it, you can go back and you can watch some of the other videos. You just search by Furman and you'll see the playlists in there. But anyhow, we have been going on, it's been 2 years now that we have been going to multiple uh, conferences and statuses and hearings as Furman pursues this. And we just completed the summary judgment, and the judge made a ruling that Calvin Furman is a public official. So if you are aware of defamation claims and the different standards, um, Calvin Furman had, now that he's been in this case, categorized as a public official and all of the things that come along with public officials and public figures in terms of the standard, he has to show actual malice to make these claims. And so to this point, he had not made any of those claims because he said he was a private citizen, but the court did not agree with him, and he has to uh, in his trial, and he is going forward at this time with a trial, he has to um, show actual malice. So that's an interesting update that we have just learned about in recent history. Um, there's a couple more things that have kind of transpired. Uh, Furman, we're going to be posting his video of his deposition. So we have his deposition from this case. And when you watch that video deposition, you should notice what he says about talking with other administrative law judges on how to sue active complainants, cases complainants that have active cases in the equal right division. I fall in that category. I have unactive case in the equal rights division right now, which actually has a hearing on September 26th. So while the judges meet at their regular meetings, I guess they have gotten together and discussed how you can sue complainants for defamation when they talk about their cases. And so that's something that you can read in the deposition or you can watch it. You can also see that he's gone to a number of hearings and on the matter, and we've asked him if he has taken off for those hearings. And it'll be interesting if you watch out for his response, you'll see his response to that. And so that's an interesting kind of idea to think further about in terms of the equal rights judge and their mindset, their thinking, what how they treat complainants that have active cases. So that's all forthcoming, but I did want to give you that brief update about summary judgment findings by Judge Yamahiro, which, again, in a nutshell, Furman has to prove that there was actual malice because he is a public official. Let us know your thoughts on this and look for those other videos. They're coming up. Thanks for listening, and we will keep you updated.